Alongside DevOps, the other force driving digital transformation is cloud. And cloud, in some ways, is a myriad of technologies that help us achieve a variety of technology advancements and speed. But just as before, more importantly, it is a change in how we build software. When you think about the pre-cloud era, applications were mostly some code and some libraries sitting on top of this big central IT stack. And that central IT stack included things like managing servers and their operating system. It included networks and which ports are open, as well as central applications like databases and messaging. When you look at the world of cloud, all of these layers still exist. You still need a server, you still need a network. But instead of being provided by a central IT team that you might open a ticket for them to do something for you, not independent, they're now an API. They're now provided as an application service through some form of SaaS or infrastructure as a service platform. And that enables the speed that DevOps craves. And it's amazing from a throughput and how much can a developer accomplish. From a security perspective, it's also not a little bit daunting, because that big IT stack, that was secured by IT people with mature IT security solutions. And oftentimes those groups are fairly security minded. Now, the same decisions, whether secure or not, are being made by developers. And those developers can't really successfully use those IT security solutions. They need application security solutions at their disposal. And there's a whole shift of this need as cloud gets adopted to build a new breed of powerful application security solutions that help them build secure solutions across that entire stack. And that's really where the Cloud Native AppSec platform comes in. We provide a single platform that, from a developer's perspective, secures everything in the repo. It allows you to look at all these different files in there and say, you know what, those are all just part of an application, and have a single solution that tells you if you've made a security mistake, educates you about what this mistake is and what should you do to fix about it, and lets you continue on, lets you really build the application and just be on to the core part of what you're there for. On the other side, from an enterprise perspective, it gives you a foundation that you can roll out through the company. It allows you to have those core products in the middle, but know that they are fronted with this great developer experience that works across the development process, every step of the way. And on the other side, that it is backed, that is built on a foundation of deep security intelligence, so you can be ahead of the hackers and not the other way around, and true enterprise scale. So enterprises know that we can support their tens of thousands of developers with all their variety and still successfully move forward quickly and still be secure. We believe that with a single cloud-native AppSec platform, developers can actually tackle this new responsibility. They can actually multitask effectively and because they know they have us at their disposal, tackling all these different risks and allowing them to maintain focus on their core job.